If you guys would like to get updated on daily content about cryptocurrency, please click the subscribe button down below and then just click the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. What's up, guys? We're going to go over some news today just in this video. I have two stories. I want to look at the crypto market cap and then look at the trading view chart for Bitcoin, and then end it off telling you about what's happening with my YouTube channel. Okay, so we got first news story on CNBC. We got Buffett on cryptocurrencies. It says, "I can say with almost certainty that they'll come to a bad ending." This is what the billionaire investor Warren Buffett says about crypto. Let's see what he says. Okay, so in terms of cryptocurrency, generally I can say with almost certainty that they'll come to a bad ending, is what he says. When it happens, or how, or anything else, I don't know. He added on the interview, if I could buy a 5-year put on every one of the cryptocurrencies, I'd be glad to do it, but I would never short a dime's worth. There's a little video here that's 1 minute and 30 seconds long you can watch. I mean, it's nothing really what is said in here, the text. We don't own any, we're not short any, we'll never have a position in them, he says. So he's saying he would never invest into cryptocurrencies. And then I get into enough trouble with things I think I know something about. He added, "Why in the world should I take a long or short position in something I don't know anything about?" Says it in the interview, I don't know anything about. So that comes to the question to me, if you don't know anything about crypto, why can you say, I can say with almost certainty that they'll come to a bad ending? That makes no sense, because how can you know that or say with almost certainty that they will if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency? So in my eyes, I think this is just a false statement, a false news story to drop the price. Okay, and people can literally, big investors like him, you see Wall Street do it, you see people cover Bitcoin every couple of months, every few months, saying, is it a bubble, it's going to drop, we're going to go to zero, blah blah blah, and it drops the price down because people freak out. I think that could be a strategy for them to buy the crypto. Okay, we don't see anything saying that they about their history of buying crypto. We don't know if they do. Okay, they could be saying this just to drop the price. Okay, we don't know that. And then they add in here, Bitcoin declined 3.7% to 13,900, saying you know, it's gonna have a huge drop and all this because up more than 1,500% in the past 12 months. But as we see, as they release this story, Bitcoin has went up in price. So I mean, I'm not really worried about the crypto thing. I think it's here to stay, and you guys should too. Crypto investors, the big ones, the people who make a decent amount of money, know that crypto is here to stay. The people that just throw money in here because they say people can make tons of money, and you don't really believe in the coin, you shouldn't be investing in the coins. Okay, and then the next story, Korea, they're looking to ban, South Korea Korea is looking to ban cryptocurrency. I don't know if this is fake news either. I haven't seen any confirmation on this. I just see it everywhere. I see it on Twitter, Facebook, Google. So I wanted to touch the story a little bit on here. More than 100,000 South Korean residents have signed petitions asking the government to step back from any plans to close the country's cryptocurrency exchanges. So that tells you people in even South Korea like cryptocurrency. They want it here to stay. Okay, they think it's here to stay, and it's good to see that. I'm glad I see that. And we see here on the Korean President's Blue House website, more than 4,000 petitions have been filed related to virtual currencies since January 10th. It is now January 13th. This news article was posted a day or two ago. So this number is probably up triple or even more. And then we have one petition asking the Minister of Justice to step down in the light of the move received more than 30,000 signatures on its own. And then one petition alone has attracted more than 100,000 signatures, and the website itself became inaccessible at one point due to excessive traffic. That is crazy to see, okay? That tells you how many people are in cryptocurrency. It's just amazing to see that. And you can read a little bit more about here. This is a little bit about what the lawmakers said. The government announcement should be based on detailed reviews and coordination. If there's a problem, we should warn and prepare in advance. It's just a couple of information about it, but I don't see any confirmation saying that they're going to be banning this. If I do, I'll post a Twitter status, and I'll possibly make a YouTube video over it, because that's a big news story if Korea actually bans this. But I think it's honestly just fake news to drive the price down once again. And when you see news released like this, it is the perfect time to buy, okay? At least in my eyes. If you're a real crypto trader, you would know that. When you see price drive down by news, it's buy time. Okay, we've seen it happen here. When we've seen that retracement from, I'm pretty sure that's when the big Wall Street investor was releasing news about bubbles and other people were, and we've seen just the price drop, half retracement. And I would have bought, I would have bought when I had the money to buy. And now we see news being released through here, and it's dropped to the same, level, just about. And that would be the perfect time to buy again, okay? So we see it happen time and time again. You just got to catch those moves, okay? And I had these drawn out. I'm going to delete them real quick and just tell you what I think. I drew this a few days ago, and it's following it well. So I think we're going to see it, test this area again. And I hope to see a break, okay? Because it's, the fourth time it would test. And I want to see a break, maybe a test on this side of it, and then see a break to a new all-time high. That is one way it can happen. And then the other way, we could be trading between here and to this zone right here. We could be trading between here. And then the last sort of analysis I could have is we can see it test the all-time high, not want to push through and break back down to a trading zone here where we're currently, and going away with that. And that could very well happen if news and stuff releases again around the 20,000 level. They'll bring up the same stories. Bitcoin's back at 20,000. Is it a bubble? All that, and then people start selling again, which gives me the point. It can either drop here and then finally retrace up again, or we'll see a whole drop once again. But we don't know about that yet. We have to wait for the time to come. And that is, my news about cryptocurrency for today's video. And I just want to talk about my the crypto cap and then my YouTube channel real quick. We're up at $750 billion in market cap almost again, which is good to see. We have 33% BTC dominance almost, which is also good to see. We've seen it at 32 yesterday, and it was at 34 a couple of days ago. So we see, Bitcoin's at 14.5K. We got Ripple at all the same positions, just about. And it's good to see all this green right now. Okay, most of it's green. That is very good to see. And I just want to tell you, I'm gonna be diversifying my coins a lot, and I'm gonna make a video while I do that. Eventually, I don't know what day or anything, but I will make a video over that. And seeing this is good to see right now. We're seeing a lot of cryptos in green, and the obvious investments I would get in. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, so everything's a risk. I'll get in Bitcoin, obviously, Ethereum, Ripple is a question that a lot of people have, saying, well, Ripple could end crypto because of the whole decentralization, and then we have the banks and all that. I don't know if that's really true. I mean, it could be to an extent, but I think it's a good long-term investment. and then you could get out if you wanted. Litecoin, Cardano, I don't know much about it, but it's been up here in the top, the top 10. So I might do some insight into that. It's only 87 cents. IOTA, I would like. I made a video over IOTA yesterday. It was at 360. So we've seen a 40-cent gain so far, 11% up for the day. That is good to see. EOS up to 16. That is also good to see. That was around 10, 11 bucks when I last looked at it. We got a 12.4% daily growth today. And I would get Neo, Dash, Tron, Monero. These are all good coins right there. All with each other. That's good to see. And then we have a little break. I don't really know anything about these. Verge is a decent investment. I've seen Zcash going up on some YouTubers' channels and Twitter. I may take a look at Zcash as well. Bitcoin is a newer coin. I don't know much about Bitcoin either. So I might have to do some research on that, because that could be a very good investment at 1 cent. Even if it went to just 10 cents, it's 10 times your money. People don't get that. Just because a coin is small doesn't mean you can make a lot of money. Okay, I invested in this coin called Linda, and it's almost doubled my money already, and that's not even worth a penny yet. Okay, so I mean, you just have to go off what the coin is about, what they want to do, and of course the volume and market cap and all that as well. But if it's a good coin and you back the coin, I think you should invest in it. Okay, and we got Doge. Doge is a good long-term investment, I think. I mean, it's going to be in the cent range for a little while. Well, I think we'll eventually see it break the 2 cent range, which you could double your money, right? And then we got Digibyte. That's blown up quite a bit actually since I looked at it. It was at like a cent last time I checked it out. Electronium, good. I'm glad to see that growth, 18% up for the day, almost back at 18 cents. It dropped to 14 cents almost a few days ago, which is I'm glad to see that. Electronium, I think that is a good coin. And Pivx, Salt, I'm going to be looking in the bad. There's tons of coins I want to diversify in. I'll make a video over that. And then I want to end this video looking at my YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys so much for being active, those active ones out there. And this is my channel stats for 1 week exactly. Okay, since I've started this channel, it's been a week, and I have 82 subscribers, 3,000 total views, and my Ripple video has over 1,000 views. So that's good to see. That's 33% of my total views on that one video. So if you want to see the Ripple announcement, you can click the link below or go over to my channel and click on that. And I just wanted to thank you guys for being active. And last statement, I'm going to end the video here. I don't know when I'm going to do this, but somewhere into the 1 to 10,000 subscriber range, I'm going to start giving away Bitcoin. I don't know how often, how much yet, but it might be like every Friday, every couple of videos. It could be $5 Bitcoin. Just, $5 a Bitcoin is $5 a Bitcoin. It could be $50 a Bitcoin, 25. I don't know yet, but it's free Bitcoin, and all you got to do is be subscribed, like my videos, and then comment below, and leave your Bitcoin address, and I'll send it over, and I'll do that live in the next video after I posted the giveaway. Or whatever day it is, maybe Friday. On a Thursday, you'd want to like and comment on the video, and then Friday, I'd show me sending it over. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow.